Meet Perceval. Perceval is a knight of the Round Table. In order to complete Camelot's quest, he must find a grail. And grails loots on zombies. 10% chance for a grail, else a silver coin. After complex math, Perceval thinks, easy peasy, I kill 10 zombies and tada, I will have my grail. This is how he killed a first zombie. And another. And another. Again, 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 again. After hours of attempts, Perceval only gained frustration. Package fair random control probabilities for you and for Perceval pleasure. Download it right now on the Asset Store. Link in description.